Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see that newly installed applications are not getting saved on a home screen or an iPhone home screen, or how to add newly installed applications on iPhone home screen instead of the app library. So let's see and find out. So guys, first of all, there is small settings where you are enabled. So do one thing, go to your setting applications, open setting applications, and here scroll down and here tap on home screen and app library. Okay, go ahead, tap on home screen and app library. Okay, once you do that, and here if you see the first option, that is your, and here if you see on the top, that is your new apps, the option might be enabled, that is for your app library only. So just go ahead and tap on add to home screen. So here if you enable only app library, that means that so whenever you get a new applications on your iPhone, that will be saved to your app library, not on the home screen. Just go ahead and choose home screen. So next time whenever you install new application, that will be saved or showed on your iPhone home screen, right? So that's it, how easy it is. I hope it helped you, and if yes, then please like the video and subscribe for more videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.